long-term equilibrium relationship of the Johanson model applied to an island zone for photovoltaic energy prediction. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Solar photovoltaic (PV) plant systems transform solar energy into electric power. A main goal of the Mauritian government is to significantly increase from 13% to 60% of the share of renewables in the energy mix. This paper presents findings based on the Johanson Vector Error Correction Model (VECM) co-integration approach, drawing from the author's original and prior research. With a focus on short-term predictions, 15-minute intervals, for PV power output in Mauritius. The innovation of this study lies in applying the long-term equilibrium relationship identified in earlier research from Reunion Island to the PV plants in Mauritius. The prediction model has been trained using data from 2019 to 2022, focusing on a random month and day, for both hourly and 15-minute intervals. The data used in this study are measured from the PV system installed on the rooftop of the University of Mauritius, UOM, which is located on the west coast of the island. Experimental results indicate that the performance metric are superscriptive values exceed 93%, demonstrating a strong positive correlation between the Johanson model and on-site measurements. This proposed model serves as a robust predictive tool, with the potential for enhanced accuracy when integrated with machine learning techniques such as LSTM that can adapt to varying datasets. Future works will focus on the best artificial intelligence to fit the model, as sudden variability in PV power output due to sudden fluctuation in irradiance can have a serious impact on grid stability. Introduction. Governments around the world are struggling to meet growing electricity demands, especially as traditional sources like coal and petroleum are running out and heavily polluting. For small island nations like Mauritius, this is even more challenging since they rely heavily on imported fossil fuels for power. In 2020, about 87% of the country's energy came from these sources. While Mauritius has started using renewable energy like solar power, only a small portion of electricity currently comes from solar photovoltaic (PV) systems. These systems convert sunlight into electricity, but the amount of power they produce can change quickly due to weather, making it hard to manage and balance the electricity supply. To make solar power more reliable, this study explores a method for predicting how much solar electricity will be produced in the next 15 minutes. This short-term prediction can help prevent problems when adding solar energy to the grid. The method used is called the Johanson Vector Error Correction Model, VECM, a statistical technique originally used in economics. By applying this model to solar data from Mauritius and Reunion Island, researchers found it could accurately predict short-term changes in solar power output. This allows electricity providers to better plan and adjust supply, reducing the risk of blackouts or voltage issues. The results show promise in making solar energy a more stable and dependable part of the energy mix. This approach could help Mauritius and similar regions shift toward cleaner energy while maintaining a reliable electricity supply. Conclusion. Mauritius has plenty of sunshine, making it ideal for generating clean energy using solar power. However, the amount of solar electricity produced can change quickly due to weather, which creates challenges for managing a stable power supply. This study applies a statistical model, originally developed using data from nearby Reunion Island, to predict short-term solar power output in Mauritius. The model can forecast power production every hour and even every 15 minutes. Tests showed it is highly accurate, with results closely matching actual measurements, often with over 93% accuracy. For example, on a specific day in December, the model predicted solar output with up to 99% accuracy. However, some drops in accuracy suggest that unexpected weather changes still affect performance. To improve predictions, the study suggests combining this model with artificial intelligence. This would help make solar energy more reliable and support Mauritius' goal of using more green energy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.